everyone, it's Christina from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today we're talking all about polynomials, right? Ooh, polynomials! Today we just have to identify the degree of a certain polynomial, right? And in this case, I know that I have a polynomial because I have a algebraic expression with more than two terms. In this case, I have a p, right? Just a p value. I have a p squared. I got just an m, and I have an m cubed. That's a lot of different terms. And keep in mind that your terms always come from your variables. Nobody cares about the numbers for degrees. So nobody cares about the 200. Nobody cares about the negative 30. Keep in mind that, this value in the front, this minus sign, means that that is a negative value. And nobody cares about the 40. We only care about the variables here, the letters. And if we want to find out what a degree is, the degree of a polynomial always comes from a leading coefficient. So that's where we secretly, am I spelling coefficient right? I have no idea. Coefficient. Okay, we'll make it work. So when you're trying to identify a degree, the degree always comes from the leading coefficient. And more importantly, if it's the leading coefficient, it's got to be the leader of the pack. It's the leader of your variables. And when we say leader, right, if somebody is the leader, it's the highest on the totem pole. So take that word. It's the highest exponent. So those are going to be your leaders, the ringleaders, right? The highest exponents on those variables. So all we got to look for is the highest one. Now we can rearrange this into standard form if we want to, but to answer this question, you don't have to. Just analyze each variable separately. So for example, we got p's over here, and we got a p over here. We have an m over here, and we got an m over here. Now we just got to look at those exponents. Well, a p by itself is just going to be p raised to the first, so that value is a 1 for the exponent. On the flip side, this p has a 2 value. It's raised to the second. So as of right now, 2 beats out 1. Keep in mind, we're always looking for that leader, the highest one. This m, if it's by itself, just has a 1 value. And this m is raised to the third. So out of all 4 of these exponents, which one is the highest one? You are absolutely correct. It is m cubed. Whee! 3 is higher than 2 or 1. So this is your leader. This is your leader of the pack. So in this case, your degree is 3. Yeah, or you could say third degree, and that's fine with me. So let's highlight it and call it a video, and that's it. What'd you think? I hope this helps you out. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support and for coming to the channel, and I really hope that these videos are helping you out in fun and easy ways. So let me know in the comments. I try to read as many comments as I can and try to get back to you as much as I can in my free time. So thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of this community, and yeah, hope you're doing well out there. Have an awesome, awesome, awesome day. Keep studying hard. I'm always rooting for you. Good luck on those tests and quizzes, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.